Welcome to the lesson on transitioning your TaxWise data from one computer to another. The first step is to copy your 2018 TaxWise data to your removable storage. This could be a USB flash drive, external hard drive, or cloud storage. To do this, first open your File Explorer, then click This PC. Next, double-click your hard drive or whichever drive TaxWise is installed to on this machine. Locate the UTS 18 folder and copy this entire folder. Next, navigate to your backup location. In this case, we're using cloud storage, so we'll click OneDrive. If necessary, you can create a folder, as I've done here, entitled TaxWise 2018 Backup, or just copy the UTS 18 folder here. Paste the UTS 18 folder in this location. Once the data finishes copying to this location, you can close the location and we're ready to move on to the new computer. If you're transitioning TaxWise to a standalone machine, you can paste the backed up folder onto your desktop or on whatever drive you'd like to install TaxWise to. If you intend to install to a network, we'll first need to create a folder and share that folder out so we can map the network drive for your workstations to access. For this lesson, I've created a folder on my desktop entitled TW 2018, and now we'll right-click on that folder. On this menu, we'll choose Properties, then click the Sharing tab. Here, click the Share button, and on the Network Access screen, click the drop-down menu to choose who you share this folder with. In this case, we'll choose Everyone. Click Add to add everyone to the list. Next, we need to adjust the level of access. To do this, click the drop-down menu and set the permission level to Read and Write. Then click Share. Your system confirms that the folder has been shared and provides the path where that folder is located. Make note of this path as you'll need it to map your network drive. Now, let's reopen the File Explorer. Again, we'll click This PC, then click the Computer tab at the top. Next, point to Map Network Drive and choose Map Network Drive on the drop-down menu. In the Drive drop-down list, choose the letter for the drive you want to share. This can be any letter available. Once you select a letter, you'll need to enter the folder path we made note of earlier in the Folder field. Then click Finish. Now, we can paste the UTS 18 folder we copied earlier from your backup location to the folder we've just created and shared. Once the data finishes copying to this location, double-click to open the folder and locate the install. Inside the UTS 18 folder, locate the TW Tech folder. Double-click this folder, then double-click the Setup file. TaxWise opens the Install Shield wizard so you can begin installing to this computer. On the Select a Language screen, verify the correct language is selected, then click OK. The Install Shield wizard verifies there is enough space to install to this machine, and once this is complete, click Next. On the License Agreement screen, read through the terms, and if you agree, click I accept, then click Next. The Destination Drive screen is where we determine whether we want to install to a standalone machine or a network. If installing to a standalone, choose the drive where you'd like to install the program. In this case, we're installing to a network, so we want to choose the drive that we created and shared out. You'll also need to enter a workstation number, which can be anywhere from 100 to 999. Then click Next again. On the Ready to Install screen, click Install. TaxWise displays the status of the installation. Once the install is complete, click Finish. Once the initial installation is complete, you can go to each of your workstation machines, navigate to the same network drive we just shared, and follow the same steps to install TaxWise on each of your workstations. You will want to set a different workstation number for each computer. We can now open TaxWise on the new machine. This concludes the lesson on transferring your TaxWise data from one computer to a new computer. For more information on using TaxWise, visit the TaxWise Education Library on the TaxWise Customer Solutions Center.